Hi you guys, we are in our last lesson for chapter 7. This one's really fun. It does definitely take a lot longer, but the most important thing is to understand the steps and to just be very careful when you are using your graph to plot points. So this is called graphing patterns. So what it wants you to do is they're going to give you two lists of data, okay? And the data is listed as X and Y, X and Y. In your book, they might call it, label it money, or price per student, or a price per book, and how many days, or how many miles if you ride 3 miles a day, something like that. But I'm just going to label it as X and Y for now as I'm teaching it to you, and then you guys can apply it to whatever data they give you. So the reason why it's called graphing patterns is because I'm going to graph this set of ordered pairs, then I'm going to graph this set of ordered pairs. So if you see the ordered pairs are X, Y. So essentially the first ordered pair for this one is 1, 2. I'm going to go ahead and label that with my blue marker because we're going to be creating 2 lines. So my first one will be 1, 2. So that would be 1, 2, and then plot a point. My next one is 2, 4. 2, 4. So it would be 2, 4. My next one is x-axis 3, y-axis 6. So 3, 6. So I'd go 3 and up to 6. And then I'm actually going to draw a line straight through it. We're going to compare that to this data of their x's and y's. Remember, x and y is an ordered pair. Okay, but they're just writing all the x's above their matching y's. So each one is an ordered pair. Okay. So my first one is 1, 1. 1, 1. My next one is 2, 2. And my next one is 3, 3. So that would be like this. I'm going to draw a line through that. Now let's say they asked you to compare the patterns or compare the graphs. Could you say that one of them is bigger than the other, has higher values, is increasing? I would definitely say that this one is increasing more than this one, or this one has higher value than this one. As you can see, it's pointing up. The direction is up more, and the highest Y value is a 6. So really what I want you to focus in on is being able to fill in your data based on what it's asking you to do. It might tell you the price of a book, and then it wants you to fill in what would be the price for X amount of students. So once you fill in what the patterns are for your X's and Y's, then you're going to go ahead and plot them. You notice I plotted one data in one color and the other data in a different color, just so I didn't get confused. Always be sure you're labeling each column as its own ordered pair, right? This is an ordered pair. This is an ordered pair. This is an ordered pair. If I wrote this as an ordered pair, like this one here, it would be 1, 2. Remember that this is your X and this is your Y. So we went 1, 2. And then once you plot each of the points, draw a line, and then it just wants you to make a general statement of comparing the two. Okay, you guys, I hope that helps you out a little bit. Have fun with this. Take your time. If you need to, use a ruler and definitely use a pencil in case you make a mistake. All right, you guys, be sure to check out the other videos out of this chapter and hope this helps you with whatever you're working on.